Looking for a phone that can survive anything? The AGM M10 is built to withstand extreme conditions with IP68, IP69K and MILSTD 810H certification, making it waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. It features smart LED alerts, a high-decibel speaker, and an SOS call key for emergencies. With dual SIM plus TF card support, a large keypad, and quick dial function, it's user-friendly and reliable. The built-in torch, USB-C charging, and 3.5mm headphone jack add to its convenience. Whether for outdoor adventures, work, or seniors, the AGM M10 is a tough and dependable choice. Can your watch monitor blood pressure with just a touch? Introducing the world's first smart wristband that lets you measure blood pressure and ECG in real time, just by placing a finger on the sensor. Featuring an AMOLED display with a fresh, vibrant UI, this lightweight, under 27 gram, yet powerful device offers higher accuracy with advanced ECG and PPG sensors. Designed for everyday convenience, it boasts built-in GPS, 5 ATM water resistance, and an impressive 5-day battery life. Stay on top of your health effortlessly, because wellness should be as simple as a touch. Would you try this groundbreaking health tracker? Let us know in the comments. Upgrade your workspace with the BenQ BSH01 Ergo Monitor Arm, a heavy-duty gas spring stand designed to hold screens up to 45 inches and 44 pounds with no sagging. Built for durability, its optimized tilt structure and 25,000 cycle-tested gas spring ensure exceptional sturdiness over time. Enjoy a clutter-free desk with full motion adjustability, including plus 50 degrees to minus 20 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, 360 degrees rotation, and a 22.4-inch arm extension. The reinforcement plate protects glass and fragile desks, while the quick-install C-clamp and grommet base make setup effortless. If you're looking for ultimate flexibility and rock-solid support, this monitor arm is the perfect choice. Looking for the perfect workout companion? The Earfun Openjump open-ear headphones redefine comfort and sound quality with their ergonomic ear hook design and open-ear technology, allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying immersive audio. Equipped with LDAC and high-res audio, the 14.2mm Volt composite driver delivers deep bass, crisp treble, and an authentic stereo experience. With AI-enhanced 4-mic ENC, calls are crystal clear, even in noisy environments. Boasting 42-hour battery life, IPX7 waterproofing, and multipoint Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, these earbuds are built for all-day adventures. Whether you're running, working out, or just on the go, the Earfun Openjump keeps you connected, comfortable, and ready for anything. Say goodbye to charging anxiety and hello to premium style. The Xiaomi Watch S4 blends stunning visuals, marathon battery life, and sleek design into one powerhouse smartwatch. The Xiaomi Watch S4 is a triumph of affordability meeting premium tech. Its 1.43-inch AMOLED display is a visual feast, 326 ppi ensures crisp details, while a 60Hz refresh rate makes every swipe buttery smooth. But the real showstopper? A jaw-dropping 2200 nits peak brightness, 1500 nits sustained, turning sunlight into a non-issue for outdoor runs or poolside checks.
Tired of earbuds that sacrifice comfort for sound, or block out the world entirely? The Nothing Ear, Open, isn't just another pair of earbuds, it's a rebellion against the one-size-fits-none audio world. Forget the ache of traditional in-ear designs. These 8.1G ultra-lightweight buds cling securely with 50-degree tilted ear hooks and skin-friendly silicone, making them invisible during workouts, runs, or marathon Zoom calls. But here's the magic, that open-ear design doesn't skimp on sound. Thanks to a step driver, titanium-coated diaphragm, and precision tuning, bass punches deep without muddying crisp vocals or sparkling highs, all while letting ambient noise in, so you stay aware of your surroundings. Clear voice technology with dual mics and AI ensures calls stay sharp even in bustling cafes, while the sound seal system minimizes leakage, no awkward stares on the bus. With 30-hour battery life, a 5-minute charge for 2 hours of playtime, and IP54 resistance, these buds thrive on chaos. Dive into the Nothing X app to tweak EQ settings, activate low-lag gaming mode, or, if you're rocking a Nothing/CMF phone, command ChatGPT hands-free to set reminders, answer queries, or control your ecosystem.
Transform your backyard into a birdwatcher's paradise, without lifting a pair of binoculars. The Birdfy 2 smart bird feeder redefines birdwatching with genius innovation. Its dual-lens camera is a game-changer. The wide-angle lens captures lively 1080p scenes, even at night, while the 2K portrait lens zooms in flawlessly, delivering feather-perfect close-up straight to your phone. Powered by permanent AI, it identifies 6,000+ species in real time, sending instant alerts so you never miss a winged visitor. Whether you're a casual observer or a seasoned ornithologist, Birdfy 2 turns every moment into a discovery, making it the ultimate gift for nature lovers. Belkin's Thunderbolt 5 cable, the 240W beast that charges, transfers, and streams like a pro. Meet the Belkin 3.3 feet USB-C Thunderbolt 5 cable, a future-proof powerhouse built for tech addicts who refuse to compromise. With 240W power delivery, it juices up your MacBook Pro or gaming rig in record time, while its Intel-certified bandwidth handles 4K streaming, giant file dumps, and multi-device setups without breaking a sweat. If you're tired of juggling chargers, adapters, and laggy transfers, Belkin's Thunderbolt 5 is your plug-and-play savior. Your desk clutter just met its match. Imagine a mouse that enhances your focus with calming lavender, energizing mint, or custom scents, all while delivering pro-grade performance. The ASUS Fragrance Mouse merges ergonomic brilliance, think sleek honeycomb shell, feather-like grip, with a genius twist. Swap in fragrance cartridges that subtly diffuse aroma as you game or work. Its 12,000 dpi sensor glides like butter, RGB lighting syncs with your vibe, and the textured buttons feel addictively responsive. Sure, scent tech sounds gimmicky, until you realize how a whiff of citrus sharpens late-night marathons or eases spreadsheet stress. Lightweight, durable, and undeniably unique, this mouse isn't just for RGB fans, it's for anyone craving a multisensory edge. Priced like a premium peripheral but engineered like a luxury experience, ASUS proves innovation can be both functional and fun. Ready to make your desk smell as elite as your skills? This is your upgrade. When the elements push you to the limit, your phone should keep up. The AGM H series is a rugged powerhouse, built to endure drops, dust, and water. Whether you're on a tough job site or exploring the wild, its booming speaker ensures you never miss a call or alert. The 7,000 mAh battery keeps you powered for over 10 days on standby, while its 48MP main camera, 2MP macro lens, and 20MP infrared night vision camera capture every moment even in complete darkness. Running on Android 12, it delivers a smooth, customizable experience with advanced privacy protection. If you need a smartphone that works as hard as you do, the AGM H series is built to last. Never miss a moment on the road. The 70mm A810 4K dashcam records every detail in stunning 4K resolution, utilizing the IMX678 Starvis 2 sensor and MyColor Vivid Plus technology for bright, clear images even in low light. Stay protected with ADAS real-time alerts, eye motion detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, tracking is a breeze, and the optional 4G module allows for remote access. Plus, with loop recording and an emergency lock feature, your important moments are always safe. Gamers, meet your new best friend, the 8-bit Do Ultimate 2 wireless controller. Designed for precision and performance, it features TMR joysticks for pinpoint accuracy and durability. With 8-speed wireless tech, enjoy an ultra-stable 2.4G connection and sub-1 ms latency for a lag-free experience. The switchable Hall tactile triggers adapt to any game, while the RGB fire ring enhances immersion. Add in Pro back paddles, extra bumpers, motion control, a 1000 Hz polling rate, and turbo function, and you have a controller built for serious gamers.